Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your friend Shubham and also a CA intermediate student. So, in this video I will share my daily study routine which I am following since 2 months. I promise that after watching this video you will be highly productive and also you will be highly motivated for studies because in this video I will show you the life of a CA student and also a part-time content creator. So, let's start the video. So the daily routine starts with waking up at 5:30. Not exactly 5:30 but around this time. After that I go to my balcony for some fresh air while recalling my dreams and doing self-talk. Self-talk is most important because it gives you the answers for the questions like why I am studying, why I am doing so much of hard work, is it going to be worth it or not, and so on. After that, I drink 1 glass of water because I think it is good for digestion and also it keeps us hydrated. After this, I'll just go brush my teeth and get a little bit freshen up. Now, it's time for the first study session, but before this, I'll organize my study desk. Usually, I clean my study desk night before, but yesterday I was feeling too tired and lazy, so I slept without arranging my desk. At 6:30 am, I start with watching the first lecture of the day, which is of costing subject of Group 1. Usually the lectures are 3 hours long, but this lecture was 2.5 hours long. Many of you were asking that which subjects classes you have taken and of which faculty. So let me tell you that currently I took pendrive classes for only 3 subjects: costing, accounts and taxation. I have taken costing subject classes from Sankalp Kanstiya sir. He teaches very well. His way of teaching is very cool and he is funny also. So guys, I am done with the costing lecture and it's around 9 in the morning and now I will be having my breakfast and after that I will take a quick shower. Okay, bye. This is the time in which I do my breakfast. While doing breakfast, I sometimes watch YouTube videos. Nowadays, I am watching a TVF series called Aspirants. It is a highly recommended series. After completing breakfast, my next work is to take a quick shower. Taking a quick shower removes all the laziness and tiredness and we start feeling refreshing. My second lecture of the day, that is accounting lecture. It was a long lecture of 3 hours. I took Praveen Sharma sir pendrive classes for accounting subject. Yes, he is a great teacher, we all know. Many of you were asking that are you preparing for both groups or single group? So the answer is single group, because I know my capacity very well. And also I love to make YouTube videos for you guys, so that's why I give maximum 2 hours of the day for YouTube, not more than that. Done with the lecture, now it's time for the lunch. From 2 to 4, I do all my YouTube related work like uploading, recording, editing, and like scripting and so on. So as you know that I upload a video every Saturday at 2 pm. So yeah, I have to do a lot of editing work. I do my all YouTube related work from my phone itself, from recording to uploading work. So yeah, if you want to start a YouTube channel and make videos, then just start from whatever resources you have. It can be the phone in which you are watching this video. Now it's around 4 pm. It's a time for a quick nap so that my next session will be highly productive. After nap, I will have my tea with my family. Now it's time for the next session of homework plus revision. At this time, I do my homework which I got from the classes, and after homework, I'll revise what I have studied today in the whole day. At 9 pm, I will have my dinner, and after dinner, I'll again go to balcony for some time. By the way, I took classes for taxation from Bhavar Burana sir and Rajkumar sir. I only watched 2 lectures in a day because I can't manage 3 lectures of 3 hours each in a single day. That's why I am preparing for single group. Right now, I was thinking of the initial days of starting a YouTube channel. I had 0 subscribers, but with consistency and hard work, I gained around 4,000 subscribers, and that's a big achievement for me. I hope that soon I will touch the 25,000 subscribers mark by the end of this year. Love you all, guys. Anyways, at around 10 pm, I read book Life's Amazing Secrets from Gaur Gopal Das. It is a very awesome book, highly recommended book. Then at around 10:30 to 11, I sleep because I have to wake up at 5:30 am. So that's it for today's video, and for more videos please subscribe my channel. And also I want to ask a question from you guys, that do you want a second part of BAP motivation? Just comment below yes or no. I am waiting for your comments. Stay connected. Bye bye.